Hey, if you wonder how you can measure a roof with the Google Earth, let me show you how we can quickly do this. So all you have to do is just to simply click on this icon. That's measure distance and the arena icon. And now let's zoom in a little bit for this roof. Let's click with the left mouse button. Then when you find a second point, click on it with the left mouse button one more time and just repeat until you measure your roof. I know it's not perfect, but that's just quick example how it works. And that's basically it. From this, when you click on the right side, you can also change between the centimeters, meters. You can also get feet, inches, wherever you want. There we go. And you can click to save to the project. And now you can also set for it custom name, and you can add some media, add some description, and it's actually saved into this local KML file. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.